Hey, hello guys, welcome to the channel. This video I will show you how to locate your uh, media files of WhatsApp on your phone. So you have to have the file manager apps or any kind of that. My one is file manager. It is the built-in apps from Xiaomi, and then if you're not, you just find on your app store or on Google Play. So click file manager, and then usually commonly in front of them there is an option of WhatsApp media. You just click on any media that you're sure that from WhatsApp, like this, and then you can click more and then click details here. You can see this is the option of local path. You can click that local path, and then this is the path of storage from the WhatsApp media. So you can click this WhatsApp images to find all the WhatsApp image from your on your storage or on your file manager. It takes some while because your phone is built from not really fast storage, different from PC or laptop. So you just click this one, and then later your folders of media of WhatsApp will be shown up. Thank you. That's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.